Hello everyone, my name is Pradul Mishra and I'm the co-founder and CTO of Vigisolvo Pvt Ltd. So Vigisolvo Pvt Ltd is an IT company based in Indore, Madhya Pradesh in India, and we provide ERPNext implementation and solutions and customizations to various industries like manufacturing and healthcare. So in this video today we are going to discuss how to create a production plan inside ERPNext. So to make you understand, production plan is one of the most crucial doc type inside ERPNext, wherein you can pre-create or pre-understand what are the needs which you require to perform any kind of production or manufacturing. So to give you a real world example, for example, you receive a order or sales order of a particular item and you need to produce 1000 quantity of that particular item. Now this production planning helps you figure out what all prerequisites you need to perform this operation. So for example, to prepare an electric motor, you need 1000 quantity of particular raw material, 20,000 quantity of secondary item, and likewise you need various details, various raw materials, right? This production planning document will help you out with everything. So let's just get and jump into the production planning document. So as you can see over here, you can see this production planning list is there, and you can just click on add production plan. Now you see that there are few details which are already filled, and we need to start from get items from, right? So what I need initially is that I need items which I need to manufacture or to produce, right? So what I'll do is I'll click on sales order. Now you can get the items using item code or using a customer or using a project, right? So if you are doing it project basis, so you can just click on project and get all the production which you need to do for that particular project. But in my case, I want to fetch it through item code. So I'll just write electric motor over here and I'll just click on get sales order. So what it will do is it will fetch all the sales order which requires production of electric motor. So I'll just click on get sales order. So you see there are 3 sales order which are required to be delivered. So the next thing is what I need to do is I need to figure out what all quantity of goods I need to manufacture on all these 3 sales orders, right? So I'll click on get finished goods for manufacture, right? So you see that out of these 3 sales order, I need to produce 10,000 quantity. This is my planned quantity to be manufactured of this BOM, which is electric motor 002. And the planned start date is today's date, and the time is today's right now time at what time I am recording this video. Now what you need to do is you need to see and produce or to understand what all raw materials you will require to do this particular production or manufacturing, right? So to do that, what you need to do is you need to click on get raw materials for purchase. There are 2 things, get raw material for purchase and get raw material for transfer. So get raw material for purchase will tell you that how much amount you require inside your warehouses or inside your store to deliver this particular sales order or to deliver this particular amount of electric motor in the quantity, right? While get raw material for transfer will tell you how much amount is already present in your warehouse which you could be transferred to start the production. So both the things are very crucial. So first thing which I want to do is I want to just click on get raw materials for purchase. So as soon as I'll click on get raw material for purchase, it will ask me to select the warehouse where exactly you want to check this, right? So I want to check this inside, for example, work in progress warehouse. So it will show me all the stock which will be the minus of already present stock. So if I click on get raw material for purchase, so it told me that I need copper but in 8810 quantity, and I need steel in 8765 quantity, and quantity as per BOM is 10,000. So there is already some amount of quantity which is already present inside my system. So this already reduces this the quantity which is already present in my warehouse, right? While if I do get raw material for transfer, if I'll click on this and I'll click on work in progress warehouse, or maybe I'll change the warehouse transform for work in progress, and I'll click on get items, you will see target from warehouse is work in progress, for warehouse work in progress, and I'll select one more warehouse and just click on get items. So you will see that all the items which is already present, the quantity which is already present has already been fetched. So either thing you can do from here. Now I know that to produce this particular item, I need this much amount of raw material, right? You can fill other details also, like planned quantity, status, produce quantity. Once you are done with this, you need to save this. This will be our production plan, and this will also create few other details, right? So for example, this is my complete plan now. I need this much amount of quantity of copper which I need to purchase. This is not in my stores, this is not in my warehouse, and I need this much amount of steel. This is also not available at my warehouse or store. So to perform this production, I need all this detail. This is what is known as production planning, which is already created. Now, if you want to generate a purchase order for this planned quantity, what you can do is you can just click on purchase order, right? You can click on purchase order and you can generate all the details based on the supplier. This is a completely different thing. But I want to stop this video over here, that this is how you can create a production plan. Later on in this video, what we can see is how to create purchase order, material request, work orders, and how to move this cursor towards manufacturing and towards completion, right? So thank you so much for watching this video till here. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you're liking my content and if you feel that I am very helpful with my video, so please do subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.